Hey guys, Tomatho here with another fun problem to solve. This time, we will present you a riddle called the Mowing Cow's Riddle. So, here is the problem statement. Isaac is a farmer who has 3 cows. He named his cow Alice, Bob, and Charlie. Isaac has a land of grasses to mow. From his past records, he noted that Alice and Bob takes 2 hours to mow all the grasses, and Bob and Charlie takes 3 hours to mow all the grasses. And lastly, Alice and Charlie takes 4 hours to mow all the grasses. So, the question is, if Isaac were to let his 3 cows mow the grasses together, how long would it take for them to complete it? So, as usual, here are some hints. The hints are progressive and the latter hints are closer to the actual answer. Feel free to pause the video if you found inspiration from it. So, the first hint, try to formulate the statement above mathematically. You can do so by assuming A, B, and C are the rate of work done per hour for Alice, Bob, and Charlie respectively. And the work done, the mow of the grasses, is equal to 1. So, what is A plus B, B plus C, and A plus C? Second hint, can you determine the value of A plus B plus C? So, once you get the first hint, you will be able to determine the value of A plus B plus C easily. And lastly, once you get hint 2, can you determine what is the value of T such that T times A plus B plus C equals to 1 holds? So, how to solve this question? Well, we know that we assume the work done is 1. So, assuming that the work done by Alice, Bob, and Charlie for each hour is A, B, and C, we can derive that 2 times A plus B equals to 1. For Bob and Charlie, 3 times B plus C equals to 1. And for Alice and Charlie, 4 times A plus C equals to 1. And thus, simplifying each of them, we have A plus B equals to 1 over 2, A plus C equals to 1 over 4, and B plus C equals to 1 over 3. Aha! From these 3 equations, if we add these 3 equations together, we get 2 times A plus B plus C equals to 13 over 12, right? So, the value of A plus B plus C is simply 13 over 24, since we just divide 2. So, A plus B plus C equals to 13 over 24. Now, let us assume T is the time taken to complete the task when the 3 of them work together. So, T times A plus B plus C equals to 1. Since we have the value of A plus B plus C, substituting it, and then we have T equals to 24 over 13. Therefore, we have our answer. The time taken to complete the task when the 3 of them work together is 24 over 13 hours. So yeah, that's all. Do you manage to solve the problem? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more interesting math video.